Myself Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach method of preparation of alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. Okay. Preparation of alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. You can take a screenshot. One by one we will discuss about method of preparation of alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. The first method of preparation is alkane. Okay, so alkane is prepared by these methods. First method, from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, second is from alkyl halide. Third is from carboxylic acid. You can take a screenshot. First method is from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, A from alkene. Okay, whenever compound of alkene react with H2 in presence of PT, PD, Ni, PT or PD or Ni, after heating we can get, after hydrogenation we can get a saturated compound. His name ethene to ethane. Saturated compound is called ethane. Okay, now you can take a screenshot. In another example, whenever propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with H2 in presence of PT or PD or Ni, after heating we can get CH3 CH2 CH3. Now by the hydrogenation of propane, the saturated compound is obtained. You can take again a screenshot. Now next process, from B is another unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkyne. First compound of alkyne is ethine, react with H2 in presence of PT, PD or Ni. After heating we can get ethene. Okay, whenever ethene react with H2 in presence of PT, PD or Ni, we can get ethane. Okay, we can get ethane. This is another process. You can take a screenshot. Now the next method of preparation of alkane is from alkyl halide. Okay, from alkyl halide. Whenever alkyl halide react with H2 in presence of catalyst ZnH plus in acidic medium, you can get alkane and hydrogen halide. Here halo alkane react with hydrogen, alkane is prepared. Okay, now whenever CH3 Cl react with H2 in presence of Zn and H plus, then methane and hydrogen chloride is prepared. Chloromethane react with H2, then methane is prepared. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Okay, now in this reaction x in this reaction x is equal to fluoro, not applicable. We can use x means chloro, bromo, etc. Okay, again you can take a screenshot after that. Okay, now the next method is from Wurtz reaction. From Wurtz reaction, whenever same alkyl halide like chloro or bromo alkane 2 mole react with 2 mole of Na in presence of dry ether. After heating we can get alkane and 2NaBr. Okay, now whenever 2 mole of bromomethane react with 2 mole of sodium, then in presence of dry ether after heating we can get ethane and 2 mole of NaBr is prepared. Okay, bromo methane to ethane. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now the last method is from carboxylic acid. Okay, so whenever carboxylic acid react with metal like sodium, a compound of carboxylic acid CH3COH acidic acid react with sodium, then we can get CH3CONa sodium acetate and half H2. But whenever 2 mole of sodium acetic acid reacts with 2 mole of sodium in acidic medium, okay, we can get 2 mole of sodium acetate and H2 gas. Okay, sodium acetate react. Okay, this is acetic acid. Okay, now this is acidic medium reaction. Okay, now you can take a screenshot. Whenever first method, compound of sodium acetate CH3CONa react with soda lime NaOH in presence of calcium oxide. After heating we can get Na2CO3 and CH4 methane is prepared. Sodium acetate to methane. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now from carboxylic acid, whenever sodium acetate in Kolbe reaction or Kolbe's electrolysis in 2 mole of, in Kolbe's reaction 2 mole of sodium acetate react with 2 mole of water, and after electrolysis we can get ethane plus H2 plus 2 CO2 plus 2 NaOH. Okay, so you can again take a screenshot. Now method of preparation of alkane is complete. Now these 4 methods we can prepare alkene. First method, from alkyne. Second, from alkyl halide. method from vicinal dihalide, and fourth method is from dehydration of alcohol. You can take a screenshot. One by one we will discuss about how we can prepare method of preparation of alkene. So from first one by one we can prepare from alkyne. Okay, first member of alkyne is ethyne. Whenever ethyne react with H2, okay, in presence of PDC, okay, this is catalyst. Okay, this catalyst is known as Lindlar's catalyst. Okay, this catalyst is called Lindlar catalyst. You can take a screenshot, and after addition of hydrogen we can get an unsaturated hydrocarbon which is known as alkene, and his name ethene. This is first reaction. But now the next step, we can take a screenshot. Whenever in presence of Lindlar catalyst, alkane react with H2 in presence of PD, okay, and C, this is Lindlar's catalyst, in presence of C, cis form of alkene is prepared. His name cis alkene. But whenever alkene react with H2 in presence of sodium and liquid ammonia, we can prepare trans alkene. You can take a screenshot. This is first method of preparation of alkene. Now from second method, from alkyl halide, we can also prepare alkene from alkyl halide. In case of alkyl halide, whenever alkyl halide, here X is equal to F is not applicable, but we can use in place of X I, Br or Cl, and here reactivity order is iodine most reactive, after that bromine and chlorine. Okay, and you can take a screenshot. And in case of alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide is more reactive than 2 degrees more reactive than 1 degree alkyl halide. In case of halogen, reactivity order is iodine more reactive than bromine more reactive than chlorine. This is order of reactivity. Order of reactivity. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Order of reactivity. Okay, now we can write here order of reactivity. You can take a screenshot. Okay, whenever alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH then we can get potassium halide and water is removed from alkyl lead and a compound is prepared. His name ethene. Okay, again you can take a screenshot. Now the third method is from vicinal dihalide. Third method from vicinal dihalide. Whenever vicinal dibromide is react with Zn dust. After heating, we can get unsaturated hydrocarbon and his name alkene. It means ethene. Vicinal dihalide. Okay, to ethene. You can again take a screenshot. And fourth method of preparation of alkene. Now fourth is now the fourth method of preparation of alkene is from alkyl alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. Whenever alkyl alcohol is heated in presence of conc H2SO4, okay, at 443 Kelvin temperature after dehydration, okay, you can get a new compound. His name is ethene. Ethanol to now alkyne is prepared by these two methods. First method is from calcium carbide and another method is from vicinal dihalide. Okay, you can take a screenshot. One by one we will discuss about method of preparation of alkyne. Now from first method, from calcium carbide. First we will discuss about preparation of calcium carbide. After heating of calcium carbonate by thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate, calcium oxide and CO2 is obtained. Whenever calcium oxide react with 3 mole of carbon, then after heating we can get CaC2. This is the formula of calcium carbide, and CO gas is obtained. After that, whenever calcium carbide CaC2 react with 2H2O, we can get CaOH whole twice calcium hydroxide and a compound of alkyne is prepared, which is called ALKYNE alkyne. Okay, this is the first method of preparation of alkyne. Okay, after that we will discuss about another method. You can take a screenshot. The next method of preparation of alkyne is from vicinal dihalide. Okay, vicinal dihalide. Okay, from vicinal dihalide, the formula of vicinal dihalide or dibromide is dibromo. You can take halide X and X. Okay, here X is equal to, you can use chloro or bromo. Okay, chloro or bromo. So whenever bromo is used, this is vicinal dibromide. Okay, and react with alcoholic KOH alcoholic, then we can get KBr, okay, and H2O, and compound is bromoethene, bromoethene. Okay, after that, whenever bromoethene, whenever this compound is again react with sodium amide, NaNH2 plus and minus. After dissociation we can get result NaBr and NH3. Okay, and we can get result in form of compound of alkyne, and his name ethine. Okay, now method of preparation of alkyne is complete. Now we will discuss about method of preparation of benzene. We can also write here name vicinal dihalide or vicinal dibromide. Vicinal dibromide. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now we will discuss about method of preparation of benzene. Method of preparation of benzene, BENZENE, benzene. Okay, again benzene is prepared by these methods. First method is from cyclic polymerization. Cyclic polymerization from N-hexane. Third method is from phenol. Okay, from phenol. And fourth is by decarboxylation of sodium benzoate. Okay, you can take a screenshot. By these four methods, by these four methods we can easily prepare benzene ring. One by one we will discuss. Okay, first method is from N-hexane. Okay, from N-hexane or from cyclic polymerization is first method, no problem, we can take. So whenever 3 mole of ethine is passes through red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin, we can get a benzene ring. Okay, you can write this type or this type, benzene. Okay, now you can take a screenshot. Now the next method, from method number 2, from N-hexane, okay, CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. This is N-hexane. Okay, whenever normal hexane passes through or heating by in presence of 773 Kelvin, 1020 atm, and in presence of catalyst V2O5 or MO2O3 or Cr2O3, in these catalysts, okay, we can get a benzene ring. Okay, so N-hexane to benzene. You can take a screenshot. After that, method number 4. Now preparation of benzene from phenol. Okay, by phenol we can prepare benzene ring. Whenever phenol react with zinc dust, after heating we can get a benzene ring and Zn oxide, zinc oxide. Phenol to benzene. Okay. Now the fourth method of preparation of benzene is from decarboxylation of sodium benzoate. Okay, this is formula of sodium benzoate. React with soda lime NaOH. In presence of calcium oxide, after heating we can get a benzene ring and Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Sodium benzoate and benzene. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now in another video we will discuss about another method of preparation of organic compounds. Thank you.